So let's talk about solving radical limits using the conjugate. So if I have a limit like this, notice that there's no real way to factor this, and plugging in 1 will give you an undefined expression. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to use the conjugate. Now the conjugate is just taking the sign between the radical and the number and changing it to the opposite sign and multiplying it by the top and bottom of your fraction. So this is what the conjugate looks like. Notice how we just took this expression here and then changed that minus to a plus. Now what I'm going to do is combine, and I'm only going to multiply out the bottom of the fraction. Now if I FOIL everything incorrectly, I should end up with this expression. I can get this -2 and this +2 expressions here to cancel, and what I'll end up with is this. The square will cancel the square root, leaving me with this expression, and then -1 minus 4 is -5, and then I can factor out the 5 to get 5 times x minus 1. Now I can cancel the x minus 1s, leaving me with this fraction in total. I can take the 1 now and plug it in for x, since everything's simplified down as far as it will get. If I take 1 and plug it in, this will give me square root of 4 plus 2, which is 2 plus 2, which is 4. So the answer to this limit is 4/5.